vakomana vachizojambuka manje panapa tinosangana neland ranyagwa richinzi time to fight. Mnangagwa full blown dictatorship. Aiwa taona kuti vakomana ava vachizoneta manje kunyange zvavo vari kusaidi kwavo panapa sana penda masvika kudanyugwa panapa ndobva subscribe like or turn the bell icon. Timina Mnangagwa muchinzi Zimbabwe's political landscape is increasingly fraught as Stephen Sarkozy Chuma, a prominent youth leader, has issued a fervent call to action against President Mnangagwa's government, which he describes as full-blown dictatorship. Chuma's remarks made on X, formerly Twitter, on Thursday underscore the urgency he feels regarding the country's current political situation. Chuma's statement is clear and uncompromised. A full-blown dictatorship can never be removed by compartmentalized groups active only on social media. He criticizes the fragmented approach of various activist groups who, according to him, fail to effect real change. Instead, Chuma advocates for more unified and proactive strategy. What needs to be done? Mobilize, organize, recruit, educate, and fight back. Chuma insists his call to action emphasizes the necessity of a cohesive and systematic efforts to challenge Mnangagwa's regime. Tukona awa vanasakozi Chuma vari kuya panapa vachiti aiwa we want to fight back. Aiwa takufana kuti tibvise dictatorship iyi. Aiwa tikuona kuti these guys they are incompetent. These guys zvavari kuita vari kuundermine ma capabilities kana possibilities evagari venyika yeZimbabwe nekuda kweucorrupt kwavo, mismanagement yavari kuita yemaresources. Vachingokwanisa kuti ivo zvese zvavanoita zvachingori in favor of them. Vanhu maelites ari kumusoro. Mutize mafungiro enyu munoti kudi pamusoro pehisco. Nekume section medu musaona subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.